Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, we have completed poem 4, A Thing of Beauty, composed by Mr. John Keats. I hope you have understood that poem. Today, my dear students, I am going to teach you one of the important article, or that is harmful effects of eating junk food. Dear students, this question of article writing is very important, and one question will surely and certainly come in your exam, and you have to write this article write question very effectively. And today's topic, as I have told you, is the harmful effect of eating junk food. So, dear students, first of all, you have to write the heading, title, or then by Nitin or Neha. It must be given in your question. So, you have to follow this format. Let us discuss on this important topic. Dear students, food is essential for our life. It gives us energy to work. But without food, we cannot expect for good health. Without food, we cannot expect a healthy and happy life. It is very essential for our survival. Food is very essential. But unfortunately, nowadays, there is a widespread craze for junk food among children and youth. They are very much attracted and addicted towards this junk food, or they want to eat most of the time only the junk food. The children have developed the tendency of avoiding home cooked food, homemade food, or it has become this generation a fashion statement. Nowadays, most of the children, they like only to eat junk food, or they are addicted, but they don't know how much that junk food is harmful for their health. They don't realize the harmful effects of it on their precious health. Dear students, gradually the children get infected with the disease of heart, diabetes, hypertension, and constipation, many disease related to digestive systems, digestion, and one more thing I want to tell you, dear children, eating excessive junk food can create a lot of problem for our children, for our youth. or they don't know the junk food does not contain any nutritional value, and in the long run it weakens one's immune system also. It makes the person weak. If a child is habitual to take and eat junk food, so obviously in some months, in some years, there will be a lot of problem. He will face a lot of problem. Or the first problem I want to tell you that obesity. As this food contains high calories, fats, and many starch and many other things which helps to increase the weight. So due to eating junk food, dear children, the problem of obesity can be faced by our children or our youth. So we must avoid this junk food. Dear students, not only this much, many problems may occur in future. Today they are eating but they are unable to understand, they are unable to realize its harmful effects, but in future they will surely face the problem. Or the oil, the spices, the ingredients which are used in preparing such junk food, they are very harmful. They don't give any energy, they don't have any nutrition and nutritional value. It only makes the children addicted of that. Or many children and the youth, they used to eat this junk food because of the taste. Or one more thing I want to tell you, that this junk food is prepared in a very short time, in a very less time. This is one more reason. Due to that our children are attracted and fascinated towards that. So matter of taste or matter of time. But dear children, finally we can say this junk food is very dangerous and very harmful for their health. And we know that health is wealth. We cannot do any work, we cannot do any work efficiently until and unless the condition of health is not good. So this health issue is very important. One more thing I want to tell you, dear children, that a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. Until and unless the person is physically and mentally not well, he cannot work efficiently. So, dear children, the conclusion of this very precious topic, very important topic is that we must stop eating junk food. We should try to eat only the home food. We should try to eat vegetables, fruits, and many nutritious foods which can give us energy, which can make us energetic instead of eating junk food, pizza, burger, many foods. Then we can do justice with our health. It is the duty of children also and it is the duty of parents also that they should instruct the children to not you eat and the junk food. So this is all about this topic, dear children. I hope you must have understood. Thank you, dear children.